guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd do a quick little video on my Hobo in the Fantasy Paradise. I've packed this up. I don't even know where I'm going yet, so I probably haven't put everything that I need in here, but I just wanted to give you an idea so you can see it all packed up. I will try and insert a video at the end of this video of me wearing it on the body. I have right now the strap is on its shortest, so you've kind of got the strap doubled over into two, and that's the shortest it will go, which is still actually pretty long. Even on the shortest it just goes around my hip, I guess, and I'm about 5'4", so this is a really long strap and it is way too long for me. I don't wear my bags crossbody, not that often. If I was going somewhere where I wanted to do that, I would probably take a backpack style with me. So I do like to wear the Hobo over the shoulder. So yeah, this is a pretty long strap, and I don't know, I may end up putting a different seatbelt strap on it, because even the length it is right now, I'm not sure. Actually, the length it is right now is good. It's just that I don't like it when the straps are doubled over like this. They kind of annoy me, so I don't know. But I do have, not this colour, because well, this colour looks okay. But I would put something like maybe this long. I can't remember the exact length of this, but I do have some of these that I could put on there just to shorten it up, and then it's not doubled over, because for some reason it annoys me when they're doubled over. But anyway, it's great that they do come with this now in the swivel clips. It's really easy, so it's really easy if you do want to switch your strap out, you can easily do it. So there we have it. Nothing in there. I haven't even taken the tags off yet because I haven't even been out with this bag. So bottle pockets, cute print placement on both sides, I think. Oops, there's the strap just come off. So there with that side. So I'm just going to move the strap over for a minute. So I have nothing in the phone pocket. My phone will actually fit in here even with it as packed as much as it is, and I have the 8 Plus, so that's really nice. And then everyone's been sick in my house, so I'm using the front right now full of my wipes and hand sanitizer. So I have hand cream in here, I have hand sanitizer, nose wipes, regular wipes, tissues, and lip balm. So I'm actually, once I've unpacked this, I'm going to put everything into the Midi so you can get an idea of the size. So there's the Hobo. I do have it quite packed up right now. I try to put stuff in every pocket. So I have a small 9-ounce swell bottle there that kind of looks really cute with this bag, I think. And then I had a dilemma last night. I didn't know what wallet to use because I really don't have one that goes with this print at all. Like, I have nothing that goes with it, so the closest I could find was my Black Beauty. Kind of looks okay with it, so that's my Black Beauty Be Rich in there. Over in this mesh pocket at the back here, I don't have anything in the zipper pocket. I decided to keep my med kit in the small Be Organised still, and that's in Space Place. I have the charger stuff for my phone in here, and I cannot get over the print placement of my small set piece. I think it's pretty amazing. I'm not a Donatella fan, but I am a Sandy fan, so I love this side. I think it's so cute. In this front mesh pocket, I have the little coin purse, and that just has cash in there. And then over in this zipper pocket, I just have some gum. I have my medium set piece, and I had started to fill it with snacks, but I'm going to put some more in there afterwards. So there's that. And then I had room for my large set piece as well. That's got change clothes, wet bag, and my Planet Wise wet bag. Kind of looks pretty cute in there, I think, because they're similar colours. And I have the long strap down there, the short strap on it. So as you can see, you definitely fit. The Hobo is a small bag, but it can fit a lot. You could easily fill, like, because you can see I've got this. I had virtually a full packet of wipes. Whoops. And you can fill a lot in there. So I'm going to pack it into the Midi so you can just have a look. So I actually bought this for my daughter, but I just wanted to show you because this is a really good size bag. So we will maybe just put a large set piece maybe in the back there, And then my charger stuff. Actually, I might put the charger stuff over in the front here, this front pocket. And I might just put my little coin purse in that front pocket, and my gum. And see if the hand sanitizer will go in there. Yes, it will. My hand cream and my little Bistec stuff. So I'll put those in there. And see, I haven't even taken the plastic off anything yet. So still lots of room in there. So we'll put some wipes in there. I don't know where. Those little pockets there aren't that big. So I'm just going to put this all the way down along with this. I'm going to stand them up. It's very hard to see what I'm doing in it because the bag's quite stiff, I guess, because it's so new. I'll put my wipes in there. Tissues I can fit into that pocket there. Hope you can see in there. My wallet will just sit there, and that's all I had apart from the water bottle. So as you can see, I could still fit quite a bit more in there if I packed it up properly, but it's just to give you an idea of what you can fit in here. And the bottle pockets here are pretty good. As you can see, I can easily fit that swell bottle in there. So anyway, there is the Midi all packed up, and it is so cute. I haven't even shown it to her yet. She hasn't. My daughter hasn't seen this yet, so I'm gonna wait. I may give it her for Easter. I'm not sure. So there it is. And I love the seatbelt strap colours. They are pretty amazing. Just some fabulous colours on here. So anyway, there is the Hobo Bee and the Midi. And like I said, if you are really tall, or if you really like the longer strap, you will not be disappointed with this one because it is really long. When you have it on its longest, in fact, I even think that it would be too long for just about anybody when you have it on its longest, but it's definitely, you're not going to be disappointed with this strap if you like a long strap on your bags, because you can easily wear it across body. So there it is, and if you have any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching.